this is Sammy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 7 different drills that you can do with an agility ladder. This is great for either a warm-up or if you're doing part of a speed and agility workout. Make sure that you always adapt whatever it is to whatever level you're at. As you can see, I'm about 6 months pregnant right now when I'm filming this video. So you always have to adapt for wherever you are in your physical abilities. If you love these ideas and you want to see more, or if you want to do an entire follow along workout, then make sure you check my training online at blackbeltsamery.com. You can sign up to be a student where I host live classes each month, and you also get access to all of my martial arts courses as well as all of my follow along workouts. So make sure you check that out. I'll leave it linked in the description below. And for now, let's go ahead and start with the 7 drills. Number 1, this one's going to be pretty simple. It's great to start off with just to get you moving and get you warmed up. This is just going to be one single step per square. Make sure that you stay light on your feet as you go. Ready? I'm going to show you what it looks like. Another quick alternative, it's still going to count as the first drill though, is going to be double stepping like this. Number 2, we're going to do basically the same thing, except this time we're going to be moving laterally, so sideways. I'm going to step in the middle and we're just going to move sideways. The foot that's going to be closest to the next square is going to be the one that's stepping first. We're not going to be crossing over. We're just going to keep it really simple. Ready? This is what it looks like. Next one, we're going to add a little bit more movement. We're going to step in, then out, out. Whenever we step in, we're going to move forward 1 square. So in, out, out, in, out, out. Okay, for this next one, we're going to be in a fighting stance, standing behind the ladder, and we're going to be moving sideways, but also doing some moves forward and back in our fighting stance, okay? So whenever we move forward, we're going to move into the square, and then when we move back, we're going to slide out of the square, okay? So jump forward, in, out, and we're just moving sideways, so every time you move in, you're moving down 1 square, like this. Okay, you can do this open stance, you can do this closed stance and switch legs. Either way is up to you. I like to stay in open stance, meaning my stomach is facing the way that I am going to be moving. Let's see what it looks like on the way back. Drill number 5. For this one, we're going to move forwards and backwards. It's going to be really good to get you used to moving directions quickly, especially if you're going to be in a sparring match. This is a really good one. So we're going to step forward 1, 2, then once our feet are together, we're going to move back 1 square. So 2 forward, 1, 2, when we get here, 1 back, 1, 2, 1 back. Drill number 6, this one's gonna get a little bit harder on the footwork, but we got this. So we're gonna start in a fighting stance behind the ladder, and all we're gonna do is do 1 roundhouse kick, or if you're not comfortable doing roundhouse kicks right now, we're just gonna practice with either a roundhouse kick or you can sub it for a step. So for right now, I'm gonna show you a low roundhouse kick. So I'm gonna roundhouse kick, foot is gonna land in the square, and then I'm gonna slide back. Now I'm in front of the next square. From here, another roundhouse kick. I'm still sticking to low ones. Landing in the square, slide back. Roundhouse kick, land in the square, slide. Roundhouse, square, slide. And if you want to switch it to just doing steps, let me show you what that looks like. So here, step, slide. Keep those fighting stances up though. Step, slide. Step, slide. Step, slide. Okay, it's gonna be really good for that footwork. Drill number 7, this is going to be the last one, and we're just going to be doing a diagonal shuffle. So what this means is I'm going to be aiming, so I'm going to start behind a square that I'm going to step on first, and my feet are going to go 1, 2, 3, all the way out. 1, 2, 3, all the way out. So I'm moving diagonally, if you can see that. So I'm going to go in, out, out. When I go in, I step forward 1 square. All right, that is it for our 7 agility ladder drills that we're doing today. If you enjoyed those, like I said, you can find a lot more workouts like this, but actual follow along workouts with reps and sets so that you can do an entire workout depending on how much time you have and what you want to learn that day. You can find that on blackbeltsamery.com. So make sure you check that out and leave me a comment with what video you guys would like to see next. I love hearing from you guys and helping share all of my knowledge that I gained as a competitive athlete in Taekwondo, whether that's in sparring or in Poomsae. So leave me a comment so I can learn a little bit more about you, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Have fun training, guys. Bye.